How are you, middle 3? We now start the second term, inshallah, lesson 1, algebra. And our lesson today is solving two equations of the first degree in two variables graphically and algebraically. Okay, at the first, what's the meaning of equation? Equation that mean the relation between x and y and it have equal sign, or the relation between two sides and it have equal sign. Okay, like x plus y equals 15. This represent the equation, okay, of the first degree. Why it's the first degree? Because my power in here of x and the index of y is 1. And it's called a linear equation. What's the meaning of linear equation, or why we called it solving equation? Because if we represent it graphically, we get a straight line. Okay, if we represent it graphically, we get a straight line. So it's called linear equations. Okay. But now we solving two equation of first degree. This is example about equation. It has x plus y. Okay, this is the mean of two variables. Okay, now if we have this equation, it's x plus 5, it equals y. This is the linear equation, okay, and it has two variables. I want to represent it graphically, so we put values of x, okay, and solution this equation to get value of y. For example, if we put x, this is x-axis, put x 1, 2, 3, 4, and also for example -2 and 3, and represent it by this point. And another, if we put value of x is -1, so we get 4, and also we get more ordered pair and represent it, we get a straight line. Okay, this is number 1. And we have two ways to represent or to solving this equation graphically and algebraically. This is equation y equal 2x minus 1. We have in here y in the one side and 2x minus 1 in other side. If we put x equal 0 and once put x equal 2, so we get the first order pair 0 and -1 and 2 and 3. This is solution of equation, or this two ordered pair like 0 and -1. It satisfies this equation y equal 2x minus 1. And if we wanted to represent it graphically from this side, Desmos, okay, right, in this side, this equation, right in this place, okay, to represent it graphically, y equals 2x minus 1, and represent it by this red straight line. Okay, it hasn't starting point and ending point. This is straight line. If we make a zoom like this, we have a straight line. This order bears 0.5 and 0. Okay, and we said that this is a straight line. This is point also is satisfying the equation and lies on this straight line. Another 1 and 1, another ordered pair is 2 and 3. This satisfies the relation and lies on this straight line. If we have, this is another equation, y equal 4x plus 2. This is all is one equation, not solving about two equations. If we get the values of x, so we find the values of y. Okay, we make a table like this. If we put x by 0, so we get y. 4 times 0, 0 plus 2 equals 0 plus 2 equal 2. If we put x times equal 1, 4 times 1, 4 plus 2 equals 6. If we put x by 2, 4 times 2, 8 plus 2 equals 10. These ordered pairs, this consists of ordered pairs. The first 0 and 2, the ordered pair 0, 2. And the second ordered pair, okay, is 1 and 6. The third ordered pair 2 and 10. Okay. And so on. If we put any value of x, we get the value of y and get the ordered pair satisfying this relation. But if we find this ordered pair 1 and 5, this satisfies this relation? This satisfies this relation middle 3? If we put x as 1, we get y equals 5? No. So this ordered pair is not satisfying this relation. Another one or refers to my equation 0, x equals 0, so y equals -1. So this 0 and -1 is solution of the equation because it's satisfying this equation, and this is lies on this straight line, okay, of this equation. And drawing the straight line passing through these 2 points of the ordered pair 0, -1 and 2, 3. Okay, now we have in here, this is straight line, show it's no ending because it's a straight line. Okay, every ordered pair belonging to this straight line, every ordered pair lies or satisfying the equation is lies on this straight line. Okay, 2x minus y equals 1. There is infinite number of solutions. Tell another 4 solution for this equation. Okay, do it in homework. Okay, show another, this all points like 1.16, 1.32. This satisfies the equation and lies on this straight line. Okay, this all we have infinity ordered pair satisfies the equation or the relation and lies on this straight line. If we put any value of x, we get value of y in this relation. Okay, another, find the solution set for each pair of the following equation graphically. Okay, we take one of them and do it by graphically. 2x plus y equals 0 and x plus 2y equals 3. Now my lesson about these two equations together. Okay, so we take every one and solve it by, we get y in the side equal to -2x. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2 is 2y equals 3 minus x. To keep y, okay, in the one of sides. equal 3 over 2 minus x over 2, or another image, 3 over 2 minus half x. To can solve this equation. This is equation number 2. Okay, number 1, keep y or x only in one side of left or right hand side. Okay, if we write this equation, y equal negative 2 or y equals 3 over 2 minus half x. Write these two equations in graphically. Number 1, y equal negative 2x. Number 2, y equals 3 over 2 minus half x. The first equation represented by red straight line. Number 2 represented by blue straight line. Where is the solution set of this solving two equations together? This is the intersect point of these two lines is ordered pair negative 1 and 2. If we represent the first equation and the second equation, and we want to know the solution set of these two equations together, this intersection point of these two equations, this graphically. Okay, this intersection point about this red straight line and blue, this is solution set. And now we are talking about the slope. What's the meaning of the slope? Any straight line, it has the slope. It's equal negative coefficient x over coefficient y. Okay, and we want to represent it graphically. Okay, any line we have a slope. What's the meaning of a slope? If we draw more a straight line, if I wanted to know what the straight line passing through ordered pair 2 and 2, we have more straight line passing through this point 2 and 2. This is point, so like this, a straight line passing through it, or another straight line passing through it like this. We have more straight line passing through this ordered pair 2 and 2. What the difference between them? The difference between them, the slope. What the difference between this straight line is slope, and we symbolize it by m. M is a slope. If I want the slope is equal m, so what of this straight line? This is straight line, its slope equals 1. What the meaning of a slope is difference of y over difference of x. Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.